Do you think home prices could climb by 6% next year? Or that townhouses or condos might steal the spotlight in 2025? Trust me, there's a lot more to this market that meets the eye. Stick around as I break down 7 bold predictions for Toronto real estate in 2025. Some of these might just change the way you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing. Hi, I'm Rahul. I've been in the Toronto real estate game for over a decade, and I've seen this market go through booms, busts, and everything in between. Today, I'm pulling together the latest data, industry insights, and a few success stories to give you a real, no-fluff look at what's coming. At the end, I've got a strategy tip that you don't want to miss. My prediction number 1, Toronto home prices will rise by 6% in 2025. Let's kick this off with what everyone's asking, prices. I'm predicting a 6% increase in home prices next year. Why? 2 main reasons: falling interest rates and renewed buyer confidence. Think back to 2009 during the financial crisis. The market rebounded hard once rates were slashed, and we're on a very similar trajectory now. With the Bank of Canada expecting to lower rates to about 3% by mid-2025, end of 2025, more buyers will jump back in. Increased demand will naturally push the prices up, especially in competitive neighborhoods in Toronto and in the GTA. But here's the key: the earlier you act, the better your position will be as prices start to climb. My prediction number 2, townhouses will lead the market in appreciation. Townhouses are the MVP of 2025 real estate market. They hit the sweet spot, more affordable than a detached home, but way more practical than condos for families or first-time buyers that are looking for some extra space. In 2024, townhouses in Etobicoke and Markham saw price growth of about 7 to 8%. I think 2025 could be even stronger, especially in neighborhoods with strong schools and transit access. If you're an investor, look at areas like East York or Scarborough. Both are prime for townhouse appreciation and offer solid rental potential. These are neighborhoods where people want to live but can still afford to buy. My prediction number 3, condos will stage a steady comeback. Here's where it gets interesting. Condos. They've struggled over the past few years, but I think 2025 is going to be a turning point. With some people returning to the office, especially in downtown hubs like Financial District and the King West, condos are back on the radar. And don't forget the rental demand. With fewer new condo projects being launched and high construction costs, existing inventory is becoming more valuable. If you're shopping in the range of 500 to 700,000, neighborhoods like Liberty Village and Corktown are the best bets. They are magnets for young professionals and offer some of the strongest rental yields. Prediction number 4, watch out for these high growth neighborhoods. So where's the opportunity? Aside from core areas like Scarborough, East York, I'm calling out suburbs like Whitby, Stouffville, Milton, and Oshawa. These are spots where affordability meets convenience. Transit projects like the Eglinton East LRT in Scarborough, GO Train expansion in the Durham region are the game changers. People are finally starting to see the value of living a bit further out without sacrificing connectivity. And here's a fun stat. Area close to transit hubs historically see prices increase by 10 to 15% within 2 years of the project launch. My prediction number 5, slower growth in the luxury neighborhoods. Let's talk luxury. Rosedale, Forest Hill, the Bridle Path, these neighborhoods will see slower growth in 2025. High interest rates have dampened activity in the 3 million plus market. Buyers are holding out for more favorable conditions. But there's a silver lining. If you're in the market for luxury property, 2025 might just be your year. Sellers in these neighborhoods are open to offers, and this could be a chance to snag a dream home at a reasonable price. My prediction number 6, ADUs will boost the housing supply. Now here's something exciting. Accessory dwelling units or ADUs, these are secondary suites or garden suites that are going to play a huge role in easing the housing crisis in 2025. With zoning changes and incentives, homeowners in the areas like North York, Scarborough are adding these units to their properties. I'm planning one to build myself. It's a win-win. More affordable rental options for tenants, extra income for homeowners, and you've been thinking about ADUs, 2025 is the year to make it happen. My prediction number 7. New mortgage rates will energize the mid-range markets. Recent mortgage changes now allow buyers to qualify for loans up to 1.5 million with just 10% down. This is a game changer for mid-range markets. The 1.1 million to 1.3 million price range, especially for detached and semi-detached homes, is going to see a lot of competition. A client of mine was able to buy a 1.2 million detached home just last week in East York, and a down payment is about $95,000. This new rule is going to open up opportunities for young professionals and families who've been waiting to enter the market. So, what do you think? Are these predictions spot on, or do you see the market heading in a different direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'd love to hear your take. And here's my final tip. If you're entering the market in early 2025, consider a variable rate mortgage. Variable and fixed terms are very close right now, but as rates stabilize, you can lock into a better fixed term later on. But if you're thinking fixed, aim for a shorter 2-year term to keep your mortgage options open. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's connect to talk about your real estate goals for 2025.